Well, I messed up. I killed my FJ, so I am restricted for a little while to things they can access in this vehicle. And I'm gonna be going to a little canyon tonight, hopefully to find a tiger rattlesnake. I haven't seen any yet this year, but I also haven't really been looking for them, so hoping for the best. So now it's summer and it is really hot all the time. And by hot, I mean that it can get up over 110 degrees in the daytime, and at night it still doesn't get out of triple digits. So for most snakes by now, it means that they are almost entirely nocturnal, which means that our hotline is going to be more active in the middle of the night and super early in the morning, and it changes the way we have to do things quite a bit, because it's not only dangerous for the snakes to be out in the middle of the day, it's also dangerous for us right now. And being out at night is this whole other set of challenges dealing with people and just these unexpected situations. So it's always more exciting this time of year.
Hey everyone, headed to a call in Ahwatukee. It sounded like the lady pulled into her garage, and as she was pulling in, she saw a rattlesnake on the outside, and now she's just hanging tight in her car because she's not too sure if as she pulled in, the snake came in as well. Alright, rattlesnake. Scoopsies. Sorry, can't be cruising around these parts. Take you back to the desert, alright? Alright. Alright, so I'm looking for a spot to release this snake at, and I just shined my light in this hole up here, and there's a western diamondback just chilling up there. That's where I was going to put my snake, but I guess it's already occupied. Hello, western diamondback. Just hanging out, huh? Hey, buddy. Oh, sorry to scare you. Didn't mean to scare it. It's a nice little hole, though. Dang it, that's where I was going to put my snake. Alright. The search continues. Alright. This little beautiful snake here. Really pretty pattern. Found it in another little cave here, kind of like the other one we just spotted was in. Got a little farther down. There you go, buddy. Can you go up in there for me? You can cruise on in there. Just a slow going, eh? Don't worry, take your time. See ya, buddy. Alright, what a beautiful night to catch a snake. It feels amazing out. Hiked up a snake as I was going to release that one, so that's pretty cool. I wasn't really looking, I was honestly just looking for a spot to release our little friend. So yeah, if I find another one, I'll definitely turn the camera on. If not, you know I didn't find anything. So I just found a snake. Cronison. Long-nosed snake. Yes, a long-nosed snake. Buddy, why are you in the road? It's dangerous. I'm just driving home from a call. Got this little one. All right, get off the road. Whoa, you're fast. Ooh. See ya. Stay off the road.
We're getting to the section where I see the majority of the tiger rattlesnakes, but usually later in the year, so that's kind of what I'm here to learn. How do they use the environment and when? And there's a tiger rattlesnake right there in the middle of the wash. It's disturbed, unfortunately, but that's okay because I need to temporarily collect it so that I can get some data on it for this project I'm on. But all right, the little tiger spot, I guess it works. Be nice if it would just kind of huddle into place so I could get some shots of it, and there, stay just like that. Maybe I can get my camera and just... They're pretty shy though. I don't think he'll stay there. We'll see. The tiger rattlesnake is a small and very common rattlesnake throughout the Tucson and Phoenix metro areas in most of the mountain ranges. Despite them being so common, they are rarely seen. Depending on which resource you're looking at, the tiger rattlesnake may be the most venomous of all of the rattlesnakes drop for drop. Despite that, bites are very rare and there are no documented deaths from this species. All right, now I gotta go find all my gear that's thrown around in the bushes here in my excitement, but good to see my first tiger of the year, finally. Sounds like kind of a dumb thing to feel nostalgic for, but I can't say how many times in the middle of the night I've stood on top of in the middle of a mountain somewhere and looked down, and there's the lights of Phoenix there from one angle or another in the last 24 years. So I like it. I know a lot of people don't like Phoenix. I'm not one of them. What a place to live. My job, I don't think could exist like this anywhere else. So I don't forget that. I'm thankful for it. Okay, that's that. Heading home. Just one snake, but it's the one I wanted to see, so I'm happy. And maybe I'll run some calls tomorrow. We'll see.
Hey everybody, I am headed out to Ahwatukee right now to go get a rattlesnake that is apparently keeping a resident from getting in their house because it's on the front porch. So I have a little bit of a jaunt, but I am going there as fast as I can. Hello.
Snake dude, right?
I am the snake dude, that is correct. Okay, where?
Follow me.
Okay, okay,
He's in it. He's under a bench.
okay. Don't
And
wanna,
his head is not where you can see it.
okay.
And that's the important part.
Hey, that's the business end.
Base of that thing right there, but I can see the black.
Oh yeah, I see it, yeah.
Okay, good. You do that. You do you.
Yeah, I will do me.
I brought my shovel.
It's all right.
I was going to smack him in the head with a shovel, but he went under there.
Okay.
I don't even know where his head is.
Oh!
It's a pretty one.
Oh, God!
It's a pretty one. That's so nice and speckled.
It's a young one, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, it's probably the equivalent of like, I don't know, teenager, young adult, if you were to compare it to us.
He'd empty his poison sacs on you. The old ones don't, from what I understand, they can control their venom.
So it's actually a pretty well-known myth. They come out knowing just the exact amount of venom they need to kill their prey and everything. So
Oh, yeah.
I'd still rather get bit by a baby than a big one because those venom glands are a lot bigger.
That's rattling?
No, he's just kind of like trying to figure out what we're gonna do now.
He is pretty.
It is, like, that's a very high contrasted pattern.
Blended
Here.
right in with them rocks.
I know. Hey, do you want me to take a picture here?
Yes. Yes, please.
Okay.
I'm afraid.
No, that's all right.
What you need to get is a picture of him striking it.
Oh.
I don't need that.
You ever been bit?
I have not.
I'm gonna keep it that way.
I'm gonna keep it that way, exactly.
The lid on there and get him the hell out of here.
Yeah, I hear you.
Why is it? How likely is it to have one and then more, or is it just a freak thing whenever you
This is kind of a younger one that's kind of passing through. I wouldn't be too worried about it, but I mean, you live on this cul-de-sac that's right against the desert. It's this kind of stuff's just gonna happen.
Yeah.
So,
I've never had a rattlesnake in my backyard.
And we
Or
live
in
at the
my
base of
yard
South.
that you know of.
Yeah.
There could have been one that passed right through.
No, and that's true. But I'm saying, if you hadn't
Had
been right here,
coyotes in
it
my
would've been
driveway.
anywhere.
Yeah, stuff happens.
Seriously,
not
he was
afraid.
spread out. I
Yeah.
thought I would have seen him if I was
Yeah.
under there. I don't think I would have saw him.
Yeah. Snakes are out. The line has been going today. Marissa's run a couple calls. Nick's run a couple calls. I think Bryan's run I think everybody's run calls today that's been on the line. So, oop. Kind of an angry snake. Very beautiful snake though. That is a really nice Diamondback. Let's get the snake. Don't want to squeeze him too tight. Get him right in there. Oh. Yeah, much better than a front yard with a dude in a shovel. Way better. See ya. All right, well, nice easy call. Looks like I'm gonna be home around midnight. It would be later if Corey didn't take a Cave Creek call that I was going to right after this. So thanks, Corey. Well, I don't know if we'll see another snake on the way back. Weather's nice, but I won't mind if I don't, because I don't mind getting home at a reasonable hour. Anyway, thanks for watching. See ya. Yeah, I know. I have to get